Hi guys, my name is Karan. You're watching me on Radio City and so happy कि हम लोग ऑफिशियल रेडियो पार्टनरशिप है फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम फोर्थ लीग ऑफ क्रिकेट स्टार्ट हो रहा है और जब से आया है एवरीबडी इज वांटिंग टू नो क्या है ये सब जगह डिस्कशंस है एंड आई रिमेंबर जब सॉफ्ट लॉन्च हुआ था ट्विटर पे एक दिन पूरा ट्रेंड चला था कि ओ माय गॉड नया लीग आ गया, ओ माय गॉड नया लीग आ गया, क्या है ये। तो धीरे धीरे जब डिटेल्स अनफोल्ड हुई, नाउ दैट वी आर रेडियो पार्टनर्स, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमको समझ में आई एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न हमारे स्टूडियो में आई हैव द फाउंडर एंड सीईओ ऑफ टेस्ट 20 गौरव भैरवानी। करेक्ट
Thank
है?
you. Yes, that's right.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग गौरव। गौरव और मैं बहुत टाइम से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, आज तक कभी सरनेम से बुलाया नहीं, गौरव ही बुलाया। सो फर्स्ट टाइम मैं उनका सरनेम बोल रहा हूँ। सो टेस्ट 20 ये सबसे बड़ा चीज़ आपने लॉन्च किया और जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि जिस दिन लॉन्च हुआ था आई थिंक एबीडी विलियर्स का फर्स्ट वीडियो था और उधर से ही उस दिन पूरे दिन ट्विटर पे डिस्कशन चल रहा था कि भाई क्या है क्या है क्या है। सो एज अ फाउंडर ऑफ द लीग, जब आपने खाली इनिशियल डिस्कशन बस देख ली थी कि एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, जो आपने प्लानिंग शुरू की होगी, कितने टाइम से प्लान कर रहे थे, सबसे पहले तो ये जानना है।
I think it was December last year.
अच्छा,
So almost a year now.
एक
A
साल से
little over a year now.
ओके,
Yes.
एक साल से प्लानिंग कर रहे थे और जब थोड़ा लाइट में आया, इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ, व्हाट वर योर इनिशियल रिएक्शन जो आपने ट्रेंड देखे सारे ट्विटर पे?
No, it was very fascinating. I think we worked very hard to get to that point. शुरुआत हुई थी दिसंबर 2024 से,
ओके
देखा जाए तो
ओके
दुबई से शुरू हुआ था। एक कॉन्वर्जेशन चल रही थी चार दोस्तों के बीच में कि क्रिकेट में क्या हो रहा है, जैसे जनरली होता है।
यस
एंड वी वर हैविंग कॉफी एंड वही था कि टेस्ट इज sort of dying off. ODI is
Also
almost
dying.
dead. T20 is up our throats. We have just too many of them. Then you've got the smaller derivatives called T10 and then the 100 super sixes and now tennis ball, of course, as you understand. I heard also tape ball is coming.
अच्छा,
So there's some new league of tape ball now.
बाप रे।
So, of course, what I was, interested in that conversation is that after T20, there's actually been no innovation in cricket. Because बाकी सब derivatives ही हैं.
हाँ मतलब 10
120 balls के अंदर जो भी आएगा
बॉल
तो
ही कम किया
ball
आपने
कम
और
किया.
कुछ नहीं बस।
So the question to all of us, and all the other four gentlemen who were with me were from the world of cricket. That what is it that one is not able to actually find something new in cricket. So that thought was in my mind. The same evening I was flying back to India. On the way to the airport, something just came to my mind. I said, what happens if you take the original traditional form of cricket, which is the test cricket, and marry it with
20.
the latest form of cricket for the new generation, T20. Will the marriage work? So I asked myself and I said, well, ho sakta hai. And then I started writing this in the lounge at the Dubai airport.
अच्छा,
So I wrote the rules of test on one side. I wrote the rules of T20.
तो
and I
मतलब
started seeing.
आप ही पंडित जी थे, आप ही दोनों की कुंडली में
बोल सकते हैं आप, sure, yes. So it started from there.
ओके
And then I thought कि यार merge तो हो रहा है, we can do something together. Then it sounded like it's basically going to be 4 innings of 20 overs. So it's like a single day test. तो ये create कर सकते हैं. The place where I got stuck was draw कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि limited overs में draw is tough. Otherwise all matches will end up in a draw. So you have to find something interesting, and we called it conditional draw, which eventually came after a month.
अच्छा,
सोच discussion कर करके लोगों से, which I will talk to you in a minute. But when I formed this, the first person I spoke to on the phone, which was 2 days later when I landed in India, was Sir Vivian Richards. So the legend of test. Because I said, the only man who can shoot this down is the man who saw test grow as a format. So it started from there, and I started talking to him. And within 5 or 7 minutes, normally I would have expected Viv to shoot me down before that. But he didn't. And then at the end of it, he just said something which I think is going to be a placard in my office. He said, Gaurav, with this format, you're going to teach the current generation how to defend. Wow. Because the current generation has forgotten how to defend. Sare bachche, including my son, who plays cricket now, whenever they go to an academy, and when they come back home, I ask my son also, generally, how was your day in cricket? The response is always in numbers. 2 wicket, 4 run, 3 boundary, 6 chakke. They never tell you hua kya game mein. And this is a common problem with all kids you talk to. They don't talk about the game anymore. Ki, Dad, I was the captain, a situation came like this is what I did, I changed my bowler. Nobody's talking about, so there's no storytelling about cricket anymore. And this is the reality, because this generation has been born in the T20 generation. So for them, anything above 120 balls seems to be not cricket, right? And it was very important for this generation to learn the way cricket needs to be played. For me, I feel the only form of cricket is test. Because the reason why it is called test is because it tests you in every sort of area, which is why you turn out to be a great cricketer if you are a test cricketer. That's what my view was. So starting from Sir Richard's conversation, it started out from there. And then, of course, in the journey, we started building this internally first. I also realized that, this will require a lot of funding if you have to grow and build this. So we managed the money initially, and then we started from there. And in the process, of course, the first gentleman who joined me is, of course, one of the greatest names in world cricket, probably the most popular international cricketer in this country, in India. A.B. de Villiers.
तो वो भी तुरंत मान गए थे, उन्होंने तुरंत हाँ बोल दिया?
I think it did not take me more than 3 minutes.
Okay.
I didn't have to convince him. I think, I had sent him a text explaining what it was, and this is. So I think by then he was already convinced. Call to was more a formality कि चलो discuss करते हैं at length. He had some very interesting views which he shared with me in the first call itself. So it started like that, and AB was on board, and I think he's been the most supportive. He and I sort of interact very, very often on this. And he said, whatever you need from me. Because I think what they realized is that when they were younger, when they were struggling to become cricketers, they never had a platform like this. Nobody was offering a platform like
this. मैं तो वही बोलने वाला हूँ, काश मैं भी अगर 13 से 19 साल के बीच में, तो by the way guys, ये Test 20 जो फॉर्मेट है, it's for boys between 13 and 19 तक. तो हम लोग भी जब बड़े हो रहे थे ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं. The classic way कि अगर आपको जाना है तो आपको सारा स्कूल लेवल, फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, फिर कोई क्लब में खेलो, फिर कोई स्पॉट करेगा, फिर जाके आपको रणजी के लिए चांस मिलेगा, फिर जाके ऐसा लंबा ट्रेन का सफर था.
बिल्कुल. सो टेस्ट 20 इज बेसिकली गोइंग टू शॉर्टन द जर्नी, लेट्स पुट इट दैट वे, बट विद अ लॉट ऑफ एम्फोसिस ऑन योर स्किल. इट इज नॉट अ शॉर्टकट टू सक्सेस, but it is a way in which you can move faster. So I'll tell you what IPL did for cricket is exactly what Test 20 will do for the younger generation. Because IPL में क्या था कि once you come to that platform, you perform, the chances of you joining the national team becomes very, very high. Similarly, in this age group, if you perform well in Test 20, the chances of you getting selected by the state association directly, so you avoid the journey of going through district and then all the longer processes that one has to go through. And you might even be selected by a franchisee team, which could be either an IPL team in India, for example. It could be an ILT20 team internationally, SA20, BBL. See, now, the great example that we have in India with Vaibhav Suryavanshi coming in Rajasthan Royals, and given his age and what he's done for cricket and himself, I would say, it's a great opening for parents to think about, mera bachcha bhi ho sakta hai. And I think that trigger was needed in India. Because otherwise, parents spend a lot of money in academies. But 98.5%, this is typical statistics I'm telling you, kids who are actually eligible don't move forward. Which simply means that 1.2% is what we are playing with. Which is a very, very small number compared to the talent that you have in a country like India. I'm not even talking about the world.
टेस्ट 20 के बारे में अगर आप बताना चाहें, सबसे पहले आपको दिमाग में क्यों आया कि ये 13 से 19 साल के लिए होना चाहिए? आप शायद नया लीग है, शायद और बड़े प्लेयर्स को भी टारगेट कर सकते थे, क्यों 13 से 19?
नहीं कर सकते थे. इनफैक्ट वी डिबेटेड हु इज गोइंग टू प्ले. जब फॉर्मेट बना उसके बाद हमने डिबेट किया कि कौन खेलेगा. करंट प्लेयर्स, इट वाज इम्पॉसिबल बिकॉज करंट प्लेयर्स का जो एक कैलेंडर है एनुअली, दैट इज प्रीटी टाइट. सो एंड लॉट ऑफ बोर्ड्स विल ऑल्सो नॉट अग्री टू गेट करंट प्लेयर्स टू प्ले, विच इज ऑल्सो बीइंग सीन इन T20 एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. दूसरा है रिटायर्ड प्लेयर्स की जितनी भी लीग्स हैं, आई थिंक वो चल ही रही है. कुछ आके चली भी गई है, आप बोल सकते हैं, डिसअपेयर भी हो गए हैं बहुत सारे, so we have too many of them in the market. Now the gap which is there, youth mark जो आप देखेंगे 13 to 19 वाला एज ग्रुप है, because there is no league like this for them, they are all depending on their domestic leagues to move forward. आपने कभी भी कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं दिया है इंडिया में, या ग्लोबली भी आप देखेंगे तो ICC के अंदर भी ऐसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है जहाँ बच्चे from different countries come together and play competitive cricket. So I think this was a clear gap. Now youth cricket में दूसरा challenge क्या होता है? Scouting. अब scouting में सबसे बड़ा problem है bias, because there is a human interference who is going to decide the fate of 100 kids who are coming to the camp. Now with all due respect to the coach or the selector, it is not humanly possible for the coach to give the same attention to the 100 kids who come there. After a point there's a burn, a mental burn. और वो बर्न जो है वो ह्यूमन है, लेकिन उस बर्न की वजह से बहुत सारे जो अच्छे प्लेयर्स है दे गेट रिजेक्टेड बिकॉज द कोच इज़ नॉट actually there 100%, and then they have to come back again maybe after 6 months or a year. So एक बच्चे का पूरा साल जो उसने स्ट्रगल करके he's come to that point, वो फिर he has to go back again. So that cycle continues. What we did differently is 13 से 19 साल के बच्चों का सबसे best way to scout is using technology. And that is where I think because tech has come in a very big way in sports, we added tech to the human side. So अब क्या होगा कि kids who come to Test 20, उनकी जब स्काउटिंग होती है they will be scouted on 3 different parameters और 3 different ways, and वो सारे तीनों के पॉइंट्स को कंबाइन करके फिर एक एग्रीगेट स्कोर आता है. सो उसमें जो एक ह्यूमन कोच है उसका सिर्फ 30% कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन है अभी स्कोरिंग में.
अच्छा.
सेकेंड 30% will come from AI. It's a technology we have built. It is based on the technology being used in NFL in America, which is the game they play. उसकी जो स्काउटिंग में टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ होती है उसी कंपनी के साथ हमने क्रिकेट के लिए इसे क्रिएट किया है. इट टुक अस टाइम, इट टुक अस मनी, बट दिस इज समथिंग विच आफ्टर वी रिलीज इट इन टेस्ट 20, आई कैन टेल यू विद एब्सोल्यूट honesty and confidence, every state association in India will want this technology. Because this is not competing the coach, this is complementing the coach. Because coach ने अगर समझो आपको 5 out of 10 का एक स्कोर दिया है पैरामीटर पे, it is a very nice way to check with the technology whether the technology also feels the child is 5 out of 10. What if the technology gives you 9 out of 10? That means between the two
कोई तो झूठ बोल रहा है,
कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गैप है. और ये गैप ही है जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारी करियर्स बनती ही नहीं है.
सही बात,
राइट. सो टेक्नोलॉजी वाज बीइंग the biggest sort of hindrance which was never there in scouting. We brought that into the light. So AI technology is going to be used for the first time in world cricket, in scouting particularly. And the third very important tech which is being introduced is motion sensor, which is a sticker that goes on the back of the bat. This is an Indian company. I'm very proud that we have created this technology in India. Cricket Australia uses it for the last 5 years. Many IPL teams, including Rajasthan Royals, has been using it for almost 5 years now. So it's a sticker that goes on the back of the bat, and it's a motion sensor, so it has a 360-degree view of the batsman.
बताता है क्या एंगल से शॉट लग रहा है, टाइमिंग पता चलेगा,
टाइमिंग, स्वीट स्पॉट हो गया, बैट
BBL में मैं देख रहा हूँ अभी फिलहाल.
बहुत अच्छा. It's a beautiful technology, and the good part is that this tech will be used in broadcasting for the first time.
तो अगर आप देखो, एक पॉइंट तो अभी मैं समझ गया हूँ कि ह्यूमन इंटरफेरेंस थोड़ा कम है जब आप स्काउट करेंगे, जो प्लेयर रजिस्टर करने वाले हैं. बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स जो सुन रहे हैं, हम लोग को देख रहे हैं फिलहाल वीडियो, एज 13 to 19, वो अपने बच्चे को क्यों टेस्ट 20 में लेके आए. मे बी वो शायद ये बोलेंगे दिस इज जस्ट अनदर लीग, इन लोग को पता नहीं क्या है, बच्चे का फ्यूचर कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. उनको अगर आपको कन्विंस करना है कि बताने के लिए कि ये लीग शायद उनके लिए क्यों लाइफ चेंजिंग हो सकता है, इफ यू हैव 3 to 5 रीजंस बताइए.
No, I actually have multiple reasons, but I'll tell you. The first very, very simple point about Test 20 is a platform like this has never been available. That means the opportunity of your child to play with kids from other nations is the first time that will happen.
तो चलो, सबसे बड़ा ये हो गया कि अगर आप नॉर्मल खेलेंगे 13 to 19, आप इंडियंस के साथ खेलेंगे, यहाँ इंडियंस और दूसरे देश के प्लेयर्स के साथ खेल सकते हैं.
अभी स्कूल और यूनिवर्सिटी में छोटे कैंप्स होते हैं जो ले जाते हैं एक 5-6 दिन के लिए, बट अदरवाइज ओवरऑल थ्रू आउट योर ईयर व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग, यू आर नॉट प्लेइंग विद अदर कल्चर्स. सो अप्रिसिएशन ऑफ कल्चर, प्लेइंग विद अदर कल्चर्स, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली इफ यू इवन कम टू a franchisee model like IPL, you're going to play with people from different nations, so you have to learn how to appreciate the culture.
वहाँ तो एडजस्ट होने में टाइम लगेगा, यहाँ तो आप ऑलरेडी एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं.
Correct, that's one. Second, Test 20 is a touring league, which simply means that 13 to 19-year-old kids will play in different environments in the world. So for example, if we start in a particular country, the league will move to another country next year. This is not like how leagues normally are, which is stuck to a single country. Because it's touring, it allows them to play in grounds which are not there, which are something they're not familiar with. So an Indian child playing in the English environment is going to be very different, because the ball swings very differently there. And this experience they don't get at this age. This only happens when they become pro, or they are selected at maybe at the A levels or whatever it is. But to get this experience at this age is something which they will never get in any other platform. So that's again one of the reasons why a child should explore this, because you never know how you actually progress in this. Third, you have multiple boards from around the world now who are creating T20 leagues. and of course bigger leagues also. The opportunity of you getting picked not by an Indian league but another league is now very high, which simply means that if you turn out to be a star in Test 20, there's a very high possibility that a BBL team or a SA20 can actually pick you now. Because what they have realized after looking at Vaibhav Suryavanshi is that it's good to have younger players. Because even if you're picked and you're not played for that season, they will groom you for 1 year and then they put you into the ground. So the chance and the opportunity that we will provide through Test 20 is much wider than what a state association or a platform will provide you. And that's also not because state associations don't want to, because they have their own limitation. So what we are doing is we are not competing with any state association. We are actually adding to the sort of the feeder line. We are increasing the funnel size so that more and more kids get an opportunity. जो state associations नहीं radar पे ला सकते जिस बच्चों को, उनको हम एक opportunity दे रहे हैं to come to this platform and play. So this is again, I think, a great advantage which the kids will never get otherwise. Achha. Fourth, a lot of people think that 13 to 19-year-old players should be given less money. Now for me, success and commercial success has to come parallelly. This is why IPL was successful. The reason why IPL was successful was not because we introduced T20. बहुत सारे लोगों को शायद पता नहीं है T20 इंडिया में नहीं क्रिएट हुई है.
सही बात.
T20 2003 में हुई थी.
Yeah, in England.
And in England. So there was a very clear 5-year gap before which IPL was created. But now when we look back, we just start believing that T20 was created in India only. And the reason of success was largely because of the way it was commercially exploited. Now, we don't want to divert children of this age group to commercial. But at the same time, you also have to appreciate the skill they bring to the table. Right? So the wallet size for the franchisees is significantly high. It is a number which I may not want to reveal it now, but it's a significant number. No one has seen this kind of money in a franchisee model for kids. So there'll be a lot of commercial possibilities for kids also. Once you come into the top 300, which is your sort of auction pool, the chance of you getting selected and then being paid that significant amount of money is very, very high.
So I'm sure I'm just trying to answer बहुत सारे parents के concern जो मेरे को लगते हैं शायद हो सकते हैं. If you have more, मैं गौरव से directly touch में हूँ, तो आप कमेंट करना, विल आस्क एंड लेट योर क्वेश्चन आंसर. बट बहुत सारे लोग का ये भी क्वेश्चन है, ये टेस्ट 20 का जो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस है, रूल्स में बाद में आएंगे. सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस कैसा आपने एक बता दिया कि 20-30% ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन है, एक आपने AI या कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी बनाई है जो ज़्यादा करके हेल्प करेगा टू सिलेक्ट.
सो आई टेल यू इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल.
तो एक फ्लो चार्ट अगर हम समझाएं लोगों को कि अगर किसी के बच्चे इस लीग में रजिस्टर कर रहे हैं तो रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस, अगर आप रेडियो सिटी सुन रहे हैं फिलहाल 91TT ये कोड अगर आप यूज़ करेंगे 10% ऑफ है रजिस्ट्रेशन में. और क्यों रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस ले रहे हैं आप लोग ये भी बताइएगा so that they understand.
No, it's very important. I think this is a very valid question and I would like to address this to people who are listening. The first step is to go online and register. There's a simple form which you have to fill. The basic details are required and there's a very small fee that we charge. Now, a lot of people ask us, why are you charging a fee? The fear that the community has, and I will address this on radio today, a lot of people send us messages saying, are you guys a scam? Right? This is the biggest fear because there are so many leagues that appear in the market asking for registration fee and then after a point they just disappear. As the founder of this league sitting here, I can tell you absolutely not. This is not a scam at all. In fact, if you see the pedigree of legends who have joined this and given their names associated to it, that should basically answer the question.
देखिए, Clive Lloyd है, Harbhajan Singh है.
Harbhajan is a supporter. He's not on the board.
Okay.
But we have AB de Villiers, Matthew Hayden, Sir Clive Lloyd. These are the three prominent.
इतने बड़े नाम है भाई.
And they come from different eras of cricket. They have played all formats in So you of course, they're very, very reputed gentlemen from the game. So to answer the question that was, literally posed to us by many, many parents and, members of the society, are you guys a scam? Absolutely not. This is a very fair and transparent way of selecting. In fact, the reason why we have invested so much in the technology is because we want to make the selection process merit-based. इसमें आप कौन से कोच किससे आते हो, कौन सी अकेडमी से आते हो, आपके फादर कौन है, आपके अंकल कौन है, it does not matter. We don't entertain any of these discussions. There are emails we have received where references are being given. We discourage them. We tell them very, very clearly, please do not use names or throw names. You are going to come and play on merit.
तो ये रजिस्ट्रेशन का जो पैसा है इट्स फॉर बिकॉज आप लोग की जो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस है
आई थिंक द टेक्नोलॉजी इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, आई टेल यू।
टेक्नोलॉजी का
ये
है
वैसे ना आगे जाके मैं आपको बताऊं,
ऑन ग्राउंड जो अब सिलेक्शन लेने वाले हैं तो उसके लिए भी
So there are two things one has to understand. There's a tech which is expensive. Every child, when we evaluate them, that it has to go through the AI process.
अच्छा
It has to go through the motion sensor process. There's a cost for it because technology is expensive, right? If today parents wanted to do this at their own, they would be paying just to buy a straight batch sticker. It would cost them about 7,000 rupees. Then they have to buy the service. तो अब ये सोच लो कि आप तो सिर्फ टेक को खरीद रहे हो, अब उसके एनालिसिस के लिए you have to pay more. Here at the cost of 1,899 right now, that is the fee we are charging, with a discount code of 91TT, which offers everyone, and I would encourage everyone to use this code, you're getting 10% discount. So net आप 1600 रुपये दे रहे हो. 1600 में the kind of things that you will get eventually, you will realize that it's very small as an amount to pay. Because see, I'll tell you, I've always been a firm believer, anything that comes for free has no value. Second is we have a selection committee, which includes, I will announce it eventually, but which will include about 8 members. It could be 9, but as of now 8. And these are former national coaches of the biggest teams in the world.
Okay.
They are top scouts. They are great experts of cricket. So registration, once you do the registration, we evaluate your application. Then you are invited for a trial.
अच्छा.
Trial could be either in your city or a city closest to you.
Okay.
Because it's not practical or possible to do it in every small city in the country or around the world.
सही बात.
We are currently dabbling with 18 countries at the same time as we are speaking. And then we pick the best 1,000 kids from around the world and we bring them to Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
Okay, and why Abu Dhabi? Abu Dhabi is the center of the world, even in the map. Easier to sort of get there. These 1,000 kids will compete. We have scouts coming in from our franchise teams who will come and actually pick the kids and put them down as a list of, who we think we would like to have in the best 300. These 300 kids out of that 1,000 are going to go for the auction, right? Once you are in the auction, in that 300, each team, there are 6 teams. Now, I would also like to say that this is the first time where you have 3 Indian franchise owners. हमारी opportunity क्या है कि बच्चों को हम next stage पे ले जाएं. It's like we promote them to the next. अब how the child fares later is up to the child. But at least, giving a platform is very important. जो मिलता नहीं है बड़े लोगों को.
सही बात.
I think that's the purpose of Test 20 overall. And I'm very, very hopeful that 5-7 years down the line, maybe you and I will still be talking in one of the shows, and we will telling you about the great journey we had in those 6-7 years.
Absolutely. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि अपने जो बच्चे हैं क्रिकेट खेले, बहुत सारे एडवांटेज है. एक तो सबसे पहले ब्रॉडकास्ट हो रहा है, दूसरा है कि वर्ल्ड वाइड ट्रैवल करने को मिल रहा है, अलग अलग कंडीशंस में खेलने मिल रहा है. तीसरा एडवांटेज ये है कि एक ही मैच में टेस्ट मैच का भी बेनिफिट है, T20 का भी है, वाइट बॉल से भी खेल रहे हैं, रेड बॉल से भी खेल रहे हैं. दैट इज़ एडवांटेज. डिफरेंट कल्चर, डिफरेंट कंट्री के प्लेयर्स के साथ compete करेंगे. तो ओवरऑल देखो एडवांटेज बहुत है. अगर आपके बच्चे में टैलेंट है ना, तो शायद इस लीग से कहीं कुछ नोटिस हो जाए. यू नेवर नो. फॉर्चून्स चेंज हो जाएंगे आपके लाइफ के. एंड एज वी आर रेडियो पार्टनर्स, रजिस्ट्रेशन जो फीस है उसमें 10% ऑफ है. सो test20.com/registration में जाइए, 91TT ये कोड को अप्लाई कीजिए. यू विल गेट द रजिस्ट्रेशन में 10% डिस्काउंट और बाकी उनकी टीम आपके साथ अप टू डेट रहेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच गौरव.
Thank you.
एंड आई रियली होप कि जो विजन आप देख रहे हैं, ICC एंड एवरीबडी, जितने भी बोर्ड्स हैं क्रिकेट के और जो पेरेंट्स हम लोग को देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, दे गो विथ योर विजन. और जो आप करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, फ्यूचर स्टार्स ऑफ क्रिकेट फॉर डिफरेंट कंट्रीज तैयार करने की कोशिश कर रही. यू नेवर नो, जो आज हमको देख रहा है, सुन रहा है, एक स्टार वही.
I'm 100% sure somebody is there.
Absolutely. For more interviews, keep following us on Radio City. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'm Karan. See you again.